We've now made it to day 9 of our Scraps of Love Advent Calendar, and isn't this paper adorable? I'm wondering if I can save, I should have saved it better, save enough of it to put it on the front of a card. So I may be able to. We'll see. I might save this paper. I can't imagine how long it took the staff to wrap all of these amazing Advent gifts. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is from RA Paper Accents. I get some of their card bases from Scraps of Love, and I really, really enjoy it. But this is a chipboard pendant, so you can make a pendant, do baby, welcome, fall, decorate it however you want. We got 9 extra heavy triangle pendants. That is absolutely adorable. Thank you guys so much.